What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to wheelie. I don't know if this will be a successful tutorial video or a fail. I'm not sure. This is a BMX. I'm not entirely skilled with wheeling a BMX, but I am pretty good with wheeling a mountain bike. I haven't ridden BMX in a while, so obviously I'm gonna be a bit rusty. So we're gonna go through this together. Alright guys, so we're outside. BMX is right here. And this is the main premise of wheelie. You're going and you pull up. You go and you pull. You go and you pull. Straight arms, pull back. And your bike will go like that. And what happens is in a wheelie, I'm going to lock up my brake, but this is not really what would happen. Your pedal is this right here. You push that down while you move backwards. And your wheel's going to go up your bike. And you're going to lean back, pull straight arms, and you're going to keep pedaling. That's the main premise of a wheelie. So, alright guys, here's the actual part where you wheelie. So, go at a medium speed, and then what you can do, this is called a manual. If you race BMX, you might be familiar with it. You lean forward and you pull back, and your rear wheel goes up. But to actually wheelie, what you can do is keep slow pedals, and then drop your chest, lean over the handlebars, explode backwards with straight arms, and pedal from the top pedal stroke when you do it. That's gonna bring the wheel up. I just thought I would clarify that. And when your wheel is going up, there's a chance you go too far back. So give your brake a tap, and if you can't, you're just catch yourself. That was a bit scary. Something you should note is when you are wheeling, make sure you always cover your brake. Your brake is this thing. And when you're holding, you always want to cover it. Because if you go too far back, right, when you're wheeling and you go too far back, just press that brake and it will pop right back down. See how the wheel locks up? So I guess that's pretty important to note. Guys, in the case that you do go too far back and you can't catch yourself, you'll do this. Is it called bailing or looping out? So then you can just drop your bike back down and then continue practicing. So if you do go too far back, but you still have some time, tap the brake. If you can't, hop off the bike, just like I showed.